Hey guys, just got on site on an old boiler replacement that we're doing today. Why don't we head on in and check out what we got. So here's the old boiler system. In addition to heating the home, this boiler also does their domestic hot water. So you can see this coil, it does the hot water heating for the home as well. We're going to be replacing this with a new boiler, a more fuel efficient boiler, and we're also going to be adding circulators in place of the zone valves to make it a little bit more efficient and reliable. You can see there are 4 heating zones. There's 1, here's 2, 3, and 4. So we'll be replacing all of this with new, better, more efficient equipment. Keep you updated as we go. Hey guys, we're here at the boiler change, finally done. Let's take a look at it. We have a fan and a can combustion air makeup system. Brings the fresh air from the outside into the boiler area for combustion. We have 4 variable speed circulators, more energy efficient, better than the zone valves that were existing. We got a Biasi B10 boiler with a Riello burner. We have a Takeo outdoor reset control to offset the temperature of the heating as the temperatures change outside the home. We have our return piping with our return manifold for all the zones returning. Indirect water heater provides hot water for the home now instead of the coil that was existing.